Starting with the easiest one, the one variable equation, we're going to write it off to the side, negative 3z equals negative 15. Again, start with the one, with one variable. And if I solve that, how do I get rid of that negative 3 in front of z? When you're done, you can turn it in later. Wait a minute. No. Divide. Yeah. Divide by negative 3. Okay. So again, whatever's in front, it's a coefficient. You got to divide to get rid of it. Divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. Okay. Now, the z equals what? What's negative 15 over negative 3?
5.
Straight up 5. The negatives cancel out. 13 over 5 is 5, right? Focus up here. No headphones. Now, if I know z is 5, what should I plug that into? Which equation, the first or second? Okay, the first one has two variables. The second one, we're not there yet, okay? So again, start with the one variable. Now we go to the two variable. I'm going to write it off to the side here. 2x minus z equals 1. And if z equals 5, then we'll put that 5 right there. And let's write it. So 2x minus what? Which is 5, right? Now, this is a two-step equation. How do I get z up, x by itself? What do I do first? Let's get rid of that loner. The opposite of minus 5, we're going to add 5 to both sides. 1 plus 5 is what? 6, right? So, let's bring down 2x. And how do I get rid of the 2 in front of x? Divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we find one variable, then we use that to find the two variable one, the second variable, and now we can put it into the longest one. I'm going to write it off to the side here. Negative x plus y plus 2z equals 11. Now, if I know z is 5, I can put that right there. And now I know x is 3, I can put it right there. Substitution. Now, that minus x is now minus what? 3 plus y plus 2, and instead of z, I'll put a 5, and then bring down equals 11. Okay. I replace x. I replace z. Now I got to do some simplifying. What would I do first in my PEMDAS situation? Parentheses, right? So that 2 and that 5 multiply to make what? 10. Bring down negative 3 plus y plus equals 11. Everything else comes down. What should I do on that left side of the equation? Okay, so we want to combine like terms. You could get rid of the 3 and then get rid of the 10, or you could just combine them and get rid of it. Either way, it's 2 steps. So, but I'm going to combine like terms. Negative 3 plus 10 is 7. Bring down the y. It's positive, so I'm going to make it a plus 7 equals 11. Okay, last step, to get rid of that plus 7, subtract. 11 minus 7 is 4. Okay, 11 minus 7 is 4. All right. Now, I'm going to write my answer. What do you think about that answer? Is that right?
Yeah.
It looks right. Hey, so order matters. Remember, we call this an ordered pair or an ordered triplet. Okay, so it needs to be X, Y, Z. So if you wrote that down, you can do this. It's not 5, 3, 4. It's got to be X, then Y, then Z. I'm telling you this right now because on your quiz, there's one you could maybe put it out of order, and that might be an answer choice, and that would be wrong. All right. So what's my X? What's my Y? What's my Z? What am I gonna put? 3, 3, comma 4, comma 5, in parentheses. That's good. So again, you could do all that work and then pick the wrong one. So don't be fooled.
Because I'm not blindly trusting you, sir.
Yeah, don't trust me. I mean, do with suspicion. Quite sus. All right, now.
Don't trust the Christian man, okay?
Well, all right, now, everybody, we have a quiz. You can use your review and your notes and your unfinished assignments, but again, no phones out when you're quizzing, no talking, no looking sideways or turning sideways, whatever. Yeah, so delete that. And then when you finish your quiz, I would try to finish, if you haven't already, look right here, Friday's assignment and Monday's assignment. Okay? The 2 assignments that are not yet in the grade book, but they will be next week as we're waiting to get past that grade check on Friday. So again, you can clear off your desk for stuff you don't need, which is specifically phones. Otherwise, just wait for me to pass this out. Here we go. Reminder, how can you check your work in the calculator? Okay, if you press menu 3, you press 2, and you type, and make sure you click 2 or 3 equations based on what it is, and you type them into these blanks. And you can see I have it already up there, but that was the warm-up. Okay, here we go.